Designing external data in batch mode using Simple Message Editor. In batch mode, data is imported to Hx printer all at once in a readable format such as .xl or Excel format. The data is first uploaded to the remote manager and is sent to Hx Nitro for printing. First, launch Hx Manager and proceed to Simple Message Editor. Select external data and add the required prefix. Make sure Batch is selected and adjust font and size. Follow the same process in adding other external data. Later, you can match the data in the Remote Manager. On the monitoring page, the external data count is still 0. After sending the data, launch Remote Manager. Click the Add Controller icon and select the communication channel. Once you see the online status, click the PD1 icon to continue. In the new display, click External Data and then select Source. A new window will appear to select external data in Excel format. Select and add fields to match your external data and then click the Upload icon. Verify at the Hx Manager if the external data is sent to the printer. The external data is now ready for printing. For more information, please contact technical@maplejet.com.